Okay, video lab for the speed of sound in air using a tuning fork and resonance. Okay, so if I hit this tuning fork, you probably can't hear that. But if I hold it over this hollow tube and then raise it up to just the right height, now you can hear it. That's the essence of the lab. Okay, so what we have to do, if you'll turn the lab over to the data table side, you can just follow along. The frequency of the tuning fork, 288.
Point it to the camera.
288. The measured length of the air column, there. And then I go from the water (24.5 centimeters, which is 0.245 meters. Pause. Next one, frequency is 384. The measured height, (20.43). Pause. The last one, the frequency is 512, and the measured height, (15.25). Okay, so I did the initial calculations and I found that I did the measuring of the height of the column a little too quickly. So I redid it, and if you come in here, I can show you the data table now. So for the 288, the measured height was more accurately 28.5 centimeters, which is 0.285 meters, and then the diameter of this tube is 3.5 centimeters, which would be 0.0355 meters. And then if we correct the length of the column, what you do is you take this length, 28.5, and you add it to 4/10 of that. So you take 0.4 times 0.0355 and add it to the 0.285, and you get, pause. Okay, so going back, 0.285 plus 4/10 of 0.0355 gives you 0.2992, and then you multiply that by 4, because we're only getting 1/4 of a wave inside that tube, and you get 1.1968. That is the wavelength of this frequency. So if you take frequency times wavelength, you get 344.7 meters per second. Now, the theoretical speed is velocity equals 331.5 meters per second. That's at 0 degrees Celsius. And then the adjustment factor is 0.6 of a meter per second per degree Celsius. And we measured the room temperature at 18.5 degrees Celsius. So when you multiply that out, you get 342.6 meters per second. That's the theoretical, that's the experimental. Pretty cool. Look how close we are. You can figure out your percent error for this one and then do the math for these two. They should be really close, and then you should be able to answer the questions.